Hello and welcome back once again. And today we're going to be looking at how to transfer EBT to Cash App. Now it is important for me to clarify that directly transferring electronic benefits transfer funds to Cash App is generally not possible. EBT is a government program with specific regulations, and Cash App operates as a separate financial platform. Here's a breakdown of why and what options are available. You see, EBT funds are intended for specific purposes, primarily for food purchases, SNAP benefits, and sometimes cash assistance. So regulations restrict the transfer of these funds to platforms like Cash App. Also, EBT systems and Cash App are distinct financial networks. They are not designed for direct fund transfers between them. So what can you do instead? Well, you can use your EBT card at authorized retailers and ATMs to access your benefits. SNAP benefits are specifically for food purchases at approved grocery stores and markets. Cash assistance EBT benefits can be used at approved ATMs to withdraw cash. It's essential to be aware of the rules and regulations governing EBT in your state. These rules vary, and misuse of EBT benefits can have serious consequences. But there are alternatives. There are apps that help you manage your EBT benefits. For example, the Propel app helps users monitor their EBT balances. These apps do not transfer funds, but rather help to manage them. If your EBT card includes cash assistance benefits, you might be able to withdraw cash from approved ATMs. Then you could potentially add that cash to your Cash App account. However, this would be a multi-step process and not a direct transfer. So what am I saying? In essence, direct transfer of EBT funds to Cash App is not a supported or legal transaction. So focus on using your EBT card at authorized locations and understanding regulations in your area. I hope you found this information helpful.